guys, welcome to my channel. So if you are watching my channel first time, subscribe my channel. So in this video we will discuss about random module, how to import and use random module. So because this random module will help us in importing the random numbers, in like selecting the random numbers out of available infinite numbers. You want to select randomly, so random input sometimes we need to take. So in that case, this module is very helpful. So let us see how to use this. So first let us import the library. So for that I am writing import random. And another thing is that this random library will be used only with the integers. Okay, it works on integers because the basis for this is a range function. Okay, now I have imported random successfully. Then there are two functions, major functions you see. If you want to select an integer, maybe by giving some limits. For example, I want to choose a number from 0 to 100. So for that, let me say x equal to, so random random dot random integer. This is a function. Okay, so random integer, which will tell you, for example, I want to pick a number between 1 to 100. Okay, 1 to 100 means I need to put 101 because a comma b plus 1. Okay, always, you know, similar to working as working of what is this range function in Python. So that is why, so always the last number will be whatever the number you will give minus 1, up to that it will take. So here we have given 101, so it will take up to 100 only. Okay, so now what I want to say is, I want to say print x value. So let me execute this. If I execute this, then the result will come. Let's wait for result. So what it means is, randomly it will pick any number, any integer which is starting from 1 to 100. So randomly it picks. We don't know, we cannot expect, we cannot predict which value exactly will be taken. So now it took 79. So let me run the same program once again. So if I run same program once again, now it is 78 because it is picking randomly. So from this particular range, from 1 to 100, it is picking randomly. Now once again I'll run. If I run it, let us see. Now it is picked 59, which is in the range. So 1 to 100. Now once again I'll run. So now it is 77. So like this. So let me change the limits here. For example, here I will say 11 to or I will say 1001 to, let me say 1051. This is what that. So now it will give me numbers between random number. It will select a number randomly in between 1001 to 1050. So let me check it. So now you see this. Now it picked 1044, 1044. If I run once again, so it picked 1023, like this. So you can pick random integer, any one value of an integer from range of numbers. So this is what are one function. Then the other one is that, so even we can pick so random value from range. So directly we can pick random value from the range. For that we have random range. Okay, there is a function called random range. So this function we need to use. Okay, let us see now how to use this. Okay, so I'll take y equal to random dat random range. So now here you can define a range of values. Okay, so you know how range function works. In the similar manner it works. For example, if I say I want to start my numbers from 1, then I will say for example up to 51. Then it will pick. Okay, so let me check what is the value of x and y, because here I am not written print y. So let me add print y also. Okay, so now two values will be picked. One is x and another is y. See, x value is 1009 and y value is 2. So in between 1 to 51 it picked 2. Now what I'll do, I'll say with the step of 5. Okay, so I want to start at 0. Now I want to pick with the numbers randomly, numbers which are in this range, means 0, 5, 10, 15, like that. So now let me check here. Okay, now it is picked 0, and now it picked 20, now it picked 25, now it picked 5, like that. So randomly it is picking from a range of values. So here if you want to, here also you can take a range, but the range is continuous. you cannot divide into intervals. But here what I can do, so using the range function, as I am attaching the range function here, so I can take the in certain intervals. So here I took with the intervals of 5 5 5. For example, I want to start it, let me say 900. Okay, then I want to take up to 1001, means 1000 is my last number. I want to pick the numbers randomly from 900 to 1000 with a difference of, let me say, 10 10 10. So what it means, so I want to pick either 900 or 910 or 920 or 930 or 940, like that. Okay, now let me check what exactly it is giving. So yeah, first it picked 930, then it is picking once again 930, now 950, now it is pick 980. So like this, so we can use these two options are available to pick an integer randomly from any particular sequence. So this is very very helpful whenever you need to like provide random input, random values in the programming. Thank you guys.